Good morning, students. How are you? Are you ready to learn? Does your grandfather use a walking stick while walking? Have you seen an old person walking? Let me tell you that there are different types of sticks like walking stick, matchstick, drumstick, broomstick, etc. Now you can see the pictures of walking stick, matchstick, drumstick, broomstick. Sticks are used for supporting the climbers, for making fence, etc. Now you can see the pictures of climbers and fence. Today, teacher will tell you an interesting story about a stick. There are many characters in this story. They are toad, cat, cow, farmer brown, hen, old woman and the main character stick. One day, Stick was walking along a road. Click, clack, clunk. He met a toad. Stick asked Toad whether he needs stick. Toad replied, "Ribbit, ribbit, no, no." Toad hopped away. Soon, Stick met Cat. Stick asked Cat, "Do you need me?" The cat replied, "Meow." "No, no." Cat also ran away. After some time, Stick met. Stick asked Hen the same question. "Do you?" Replied, "Cluckety cluck, no, no." Hen started to peck at Stick with her beak. So, Stick ran away from Hen. Next, Stick met Farmer Brown. Farmer Brown was going home with his cow. Stick asked again the same question. "Do you need me?" Farmer Brown replied, "Yes, I need you for my cows." Farmer Brown grabbed Stick and smacked cow. What is the meaning of grab? Grab means take hold of something suddenly. What is the meaning of grab? Grab means take hold of something suddenly. What is the meaning of smack? The meaning of smack is hit hard. What is the meaning of smack? The meaning of smack is to hit hard. When Farmer Brown smacked the cow, it started to moo loudly. Stick jumped out of Farmer Brown's hand and ran away clickety clackety clunk down the road. Then Stick met an old lady. He asked her, "Do you need me?" Old woman was very happy to hear the question. She told, "Oh yes, good day, fine day, lucky day." The old woman leans on the stick to walk. She used Stick as walking stick. They both went down the road together. Clickety clackety clunk. Did you enjoy the story? Students, now open your textbook page number 61. Lesson 10, Tale of a Stick. Get started. Match the pictures to the words. Matchstick, drumstick, walking stick, broomstick. Now you can match the words to the pictures. Matchstick, you can match it. Drumstick, walking stick and broomstick. Characters: stick, Todd, cat, hen, Farmer Brown, cow, old woman. Stick, Todd, cat, hen, Farmer Brown, cow, old woman. These are the characters of this story. One day, Stick walks along a road. Click, clack, clunk. He meets Todd. Stick: hello, hello, Todd so green. Do you need me? Todd: ribbit, ribbit. No, no. Todd hops away. Soon, Stick meets Cat. Now turn the page. Page number 62. Stick: hello, hello, Cat so purry. Do you need me? Cat: meow. No, no. Cat runs away. By and by, Stick meets Hen. Stick: hello, hello, Hen so cluckety. Do you need me? Hen: cluckety cluck. No, no. Hen starts to peck at Stick with her beak. Stick: no, no, no. This is not for me. Stick runs away from Hen. Next, Stick meets Farmer Brown. Farmer Brown is going home with his cow. Stick: hello, hello, Farmer Brown. Do you need me? Farmer Brown: Molly, Molly, I need you for my cows. Farmer Brown grabs Stick and smacks cow. Now turn the page. Page 63. Cow loudly moos. Stick: no, no, no. This is not for me. Stick jumps out of Farmer Brown's hand and runs away, clickety clackety clunk, down the road. Soon, Stick meets an old woman. She is bent over and has a grey scarf. Stick: hello, hello, old lady. Do you need me? Old woman: oh yes, good day, fine day, lucky day. The old woman leans on Stick to walk. So, Stick stays and they go down the road together. Clickety clackety clunk. Adapted from A Tale of Stick by Reginald Down. So children, please read the lesson thoroughly. If you have any doubt, please get back to me. Bye for now. Take care.